Hello, Nguyen. Good afternoon. Hello, Nguyen. Good afternoon.
Hello.
Um, Hi, Nguyen.
Hello.
Wow, it's nice to see you again. How are you, Nguyen?
I'm happy.
Oh, wow. Did you sleep?
Mm,
Yes?
No.
Wow. Yet, because your eyes will tell me that you just slept. Okay. Anyway, I want you to look at your book. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so we are still in Unit 7, but this is Lesson 3. Unit 7, Lesson 3. We're going to have story and reading. Okay, first, let's listen and read along silently. Because later on, we're going to read loudly. Here it is, Uyen. Oh,
Listening 27. Listen and read. Then act. 1,
Hi, Jill. Are you okay?
Yes, Mum.
2,
What are you doing?
I'm making dinner. And Sam is learning his words for an English test.
Good.
3,
And the baby?
She's sleeping.
4,
Well done. I'm coming home now, Jill.
Oh, no.
all right. So you will be Jill, and I am Mom. All right, Nguyen?
No.
Okay, who do you want to be? Do you want to be Jill or Mom? Who do you want to be? Do you want to be Jill or Mom?
Mom.
Okay, so I will be Jill. Now let's start.
Hi.
One more time, please. Hi, Jill. Are you okay?
Hi, you. Are you okay?
Yes, Mom.
What are you doing?
I'm making dinner and Sam is learning his words for an English test.
Oh, good. And the baby?
She is sleeping.
Mm,
Well done.
well done. I am coming home now. Now.
Oh, no. All right. Thank you so much for reading with me, Nguyen. Now, who's talking to Jill on the phone? Who's talking to Jill on the phone, Nguyen? We have, hello, Nguyen.
Hello.
Okay, who's talking to Jill on the phone?
Uh, Mom.
Very good. Okay, now look at Jill. What's Jill doing in the first picture?
Mm,
Oh, look at the first picture. What's Jill doing in the first picture?
mm,
Jill is
mm, mm,
Jill is sitting on the sofa. What
so
about in the second picture? What's Sam doing?
you play foot.
Yes, that's correct. Okay, look at Jill. Is she making dinner? Look at Jill. Is she making dinner in the second picture?
No,
Yes, very good. Okay, so look at the third picture. What's the baby doing?
it's your.
Look at the baby. What's the baby doing in the third picture? The baby is the
The
baby
baby,
is
the baby is young.
all right. The baby is painting. Okay.
It's
Now look at the fourth picture. Is the house clean?
no,
That's correct. No, it's not. Now, who's coming home?
mom.
That's right. Mom is coming home. Now, how do you think would mom feel when she gets home? Is she going to be happy, mad, sad, or hungry?
And
Okay, mom's going to be very mad. Okay, why do you think mom is going to be mad when she gets home? Because why do you think that mom would be very happy, would be very sad and mad? Because the house is super messy. Okay, the house is very dirty. The paints are all over the wall, the mat, the floor, and Sam is playing football. And look at the last picture. Sam broke the window. So do you think mom will be happy with it? Yes or no?
yeah,
No, mom wouldn't be happy. Same thing with your mom. Is your mom gonna be happy if the house is very dirty? Yes or no?
no,
No, very good. Do you know how to clean? Do you know how to clean, Nguyen?
snowman.
Mm. Oh, yes, you're drawing a snowman. Okay, does the snowman know how to clean? Yes or no?
No,
No. What about you? Do you know how to clean?
no,
No. All right, great, Nguyen. But of course, when we grow up, we have to clean the house. Okay, now look
Listening.
at this one, Nguyen. I want you to look and write yes or no. So there is one example here. Two girls are waiting, are riding, not waiting. Two girls are riding. Look at the picture. Are there two girls riding? That's right. Where are they? We've got, okay, 1 and 2. So yes, they're writing. What about number 2, Nguyen? Look and read. The teacher, what's number 2? The teacher is,
The teacher is mm,
look at the teacher. The teacher is showing a picture. Is that yes or no? Look at the picture, Uyen. Can you see the teacher? Okay, now the teacher is showing a picture. Is that yes or no? What's your answer? Hello, Uyen.
no.
Okay, now look at number 2. The teacher is showing a picture. Okay, now can you see the teacher in the picture?
Yes.
This is a teacher. Okay, now if he showing a picture, that yes. So the teacher is showing a picture, that is yes. What about number 3? Your turn. Look, read, and say yes or no.
Two girls are
One more time, please. 2 girls are standing up.
no.
Okay, very good. You are correct. Okay, what about number 4? One child is pointing at a man. One child is pointing at a man.
No.
Okay, that is yes. When we say pointing like that, hey, look, there's a man, like that. So look at the kid in here. The child is pointing at a man. Pointing is using our finger to do this. Point. I'm pointing at you. All right? Okay. Now, what about number 5? A girl is picking up a pen. Is that a yes or no?
Yes.
Try again, please. That is no.
No.
Okay, why? What's the girl picking at? The girl's picking up the.
Pen.
Okay, picking up the ruler. What about number 6, Nguyen? 5 children are sitting down. Is that yes or no?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No.
Very good. Okay, what about number 7? 2 boys are talking. Yes or no?
Yes. Here.
Okay. Now last one, Nguyen. The man is smiling at the teacher.
Yes. No.
Okay, that is no. Very good. Let's count your check and your correct answers. So you've got number 1 correct, 3 correct, 6 correct, 7 and 8. So for this one, number 1 is bonus. So you've got 6 out of 8, Nguyen. Okay, so that's great. You have this one big star. Any question about this? No question? Okay, now let's look at the changing verb tense quiz.
Yeah, game.
Now, which word, yeah, it's a game. Which word changes the underlined verb to its present progressive tense? Okay, Haley loves to run. She is run on the track. So what is the correct verb in here to make this sentence a progressive sample tense? Okay, so this is she is running on the track. Okay, what about this one? Look, read and complete complete the complete the sentence with the correct verb.
Mm.
Gary tries hard in judo. He is trying to earn his black belt. What's your answer, Nguyen? We have he is trying. The third one. Oh, the second one. He is trying to earn his black belt. What about this, Nguyen? Your turn, Nguyen, please. We like to
Mm.
skip. We are skip in the garden. Try again. This is in progressive tense.
Oh, I just you.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Nguyen. Okay, so we have here, we are skipping in the garden, the
I
third
can
one.
see
What about
you.
this one? Can you see me?
Ding.
Can you see me now?
Yes.
Yes, all right. What about here? I am write to the magazine about a news articles. So what's that? Wrote, writed, writing, or reading or writing? What's your answer, Nguyen? What's your answer? I am. Okay. So we have here writing. I am writing to the magazine about a news article. Okay. Now what about this one, Nguyen? I am worried about my brother because he is ill. Is it worrying? Worrying? Worrying with one R only? Or worried? Get the spelling. What's your answer, Nguyen?
Mm.
We have, we have,
Mm. Yeah.
I am, okay, worrying. So in here, Nguyen, for present progressive tense, we just add I N G. Okay, so worry. So what are we going to do? Worry, then add I N G. Worrying. Like that. Okay. Look, just like try, trying. Okay, jump, jumping. So most of the progressive tenses of the verbs ends in ing. So this one is worrying. Oh, not that one. This one. First one, worrying. Okay, what about this one, Kuyan? Look and read.
Ok, 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 ok.
Bob is very
Tika, tika. Iya.
What's your
Shut.
answer, Nguyen?
Iya.
Can you please circle it? Circle, please. Okay, Bob is very happy. Is it smiling, smiled, smiller, smiling?
Smile.
Which one?
Smile.
Okay, he is always smiled. Try again, Nguyen.
Iya.
Not this one. Try again. We have smiling. Okay, how about this? The dog likes to jump. He is jump up at the window. What's your answer? He is he is
Yum.
jumping at the window. Okay. Now look, Annie likes to play. He is play with her doll. So what will you add? Play. So what are we going to add? I N G. Playing. So she is playing with her dolls. Okay, what about here? Look, Tim loves to run. He is run up the hill. So what is the verb?
Running.
Run. Running. Yay, very good. Now can you circle? Can you circle your answer? Very good. What about here? I like to help my grandpa. I am help him build a model plane. So helping. Okay, that's correct, but wrong spelling. So can you please try again? Helping is correct, but what's the spelling? Now circle the correct spelling. We have this one. How do we spell helping? Okay, Helping. Helping. All right. Now, what about here? Wow, that's the end of our lesson 3. Okay, so let's have a review, Nguyen. So how about here? Play. So what will you add to make it in present continuous tense? We add play, playing, ing. What about read? What will you add? What will you add, Nguyen? ing. Read, then ing. Reading. Okay, what about speak? What will you add? We have speaking. Okay. How about swim, Nguyen? We have double the M and add ing. Okay, what about listening? Listen. What will you add, Nguyen?
More.
Still ing, listening. Okay, so do you have any question? Any question? Do you have a question, Nguyen?
Oh.
All right. Now this time we're going to learn lesson 4. Okay. So in here, let's learn the vocabulary. Look, listen,
Book.
and repeat. Book. Very good. Now look, what's this?
Book.
This is a book. What color is the book, Nguyen? What color is the book?
Ice.
It is blue.
Balloon.
Okay, now look,
Teacher.
say teacher.
Teacher.
Nice. Who is she? She's a,
Teacher.
that's right. So a teacher is someone who teaches the student. Okay, now look at this one. Say
Ruler.
ruler, ruler.
Teacher.
Oh, wow, you have a board. That's really nice, Nguyen. Oh, your board is bigger than mine. Look at my board. It's very small.
Red.
Okay,
And
this one. The one on the back, at the back. Oh,
at
let
the
me make, look, this one. This is my board. It's very small. If you want the green one, you can write here using the
this
chalk.
one is
But if you want
bigger.
this, then you can also write using a pen. Okay. And I have also an eraser, but my board is mine. It's nice because your board is bigger than mine. Okay, what do you do with your board, Nguyen? Do you write on your board?
Eyes low.
Wow, very good, Nguyen. Okay, now look, Nguyen, this is a ruler. We use a ruler to measure something. Like for example, I'm going to draw a pen. Okay, so a pen is right here. Now, how tall is the pen? So the pen is 5 centimeters. So that will, a ruler will measure something. It's nice because you've got a book. Can I see your book?